Are you looking to start trading Forex but unsure where to start? Here I'll be guiding you on registering an FPS account to your first ever trade in the Forex market. I'll be posting a timestamp on the comment sector so you can skip to the part you want to watch. FPS should not sound unfamiliar to you. There are millions of their ads circulating online, especially in Asia country. Or better yet, according to SimilarWeb, these companies serve over an estimate of 2 million visitors per month. Their traffic peaked at 11 million visitor bags on December during the Football Championship games, which they are part of the official partners of FC Barcelona, and their traffic slumped dramatically after the event ends. Found in 2009, FPS are regulated by two different regulatory bodies, which are CySAC for European clients that live in Europe at fbs.eu, IFSC, a Burmese regulatory body for Asian customers who live in Asian countries at fbs.com. If you have been trading for a while, you have noticed that most Forex brokers abide to 2 to 3 regulatory bodies. And also, there are debates over IFSC legitimacy comparing to the more established and highly reputed international regulatory bodies. If it happened that you want to make huge sums of deposit, by the way, they do not offer services to the following country listed here. Well, despite the controversies over the regulations, they claim to have over 15 million active users and were awarded for numerous awards. FPS, they offer 5 types of different accounts, which are standard, SAN, micro, zero, and ECN account. There were much information here, so I have to personally create 5 demo accounts to test the differences. I've created the comparisons of 5 types of accounts. Now on the left, we have the minimum deposit, leverage, which is the amount of cash held by a broker. The higher the leverage, the bigger volume size you are allowed to trade. Spread, the price differences between the buy and sell price based on Euro USD. X unit per lot is the minimum contract size based on unit. Price 1 pip 1 lot. The amount of dollars moved per lot based on Euro USD, which means if you purchase 1 lot, every pip movement will cost you... Commission per lot. Some account charges a fixed commission instead of floating spread rate. In terms of cost efficiencies, the lowest cost you pay per trade, although Zero and ECN account offer zero spread, but instead they charges commission per lot. Whereas Zero account charges $6 commission per lot, which equals to 0.6 pips based on Euro USD, which is much cheaper comparing to standard and SAN account, 0.8 pip. Then if you want to trade on a very small volume, you should register a SAN account. So the most ideal account here is first Zero, second SAN, and third standard. Decide which account is suitable for you. Before registering an account, you require an email address, a phone number, your personal document like passport or identity card for identity verifications, a device to use the trading software, and lastly, funding source like credit cards and or electronic payments. Now go to fbs.com. We will want to register a new account, so on the home page, click the open account. If you are interested in joining FPS, I will be very appreciated if you use my link. Thank you. Enter your email address and your name and click register as trader. After the email confirmation, you'll be landed on this page, asks you to select the MetaTrader versions and leverage you prefer. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 does not have any differences, mainly because FPS offers mostly currency trading, but we'll be using MT5 for now. Leverage can be 1 to 100 or 1 to 3000, just don't set yourself in the panic mood or overtrade and you will be fine. Your account detail will be ready, save it somewhere because I'm sure you cannot remember. Back on your FPS dashboard, you are required to verify your phone number and confirm your personal identity by uploading your identity card or passport or something else. You can simply take a picture and upload it. Please note it is recommended to place a little piece of paper writing FPS verification purpose only on top of your identity card to prevent malicious users. In some cases, thief users fraud. It takes quite a while for them to verify. After the verification process is completed, you can deposit funds now. On FPS dashboard, click deposit fund. There are many variety of payments methods you can use. These are electronic wallets, my local banks, which they use a third-party service to connect to your banking account like wow, and debit or credit cards. And lastly, you have Bitcoin. Among the payment method here, I recommend using exactly a weird name. This service covers up extra fee charges, which is pretty good. But I prefer using Perfect Money. For its flexibility, you can swap your currency to another currency or asset like Bitcoin. Yeah. So say now I want to make a deposit of $25. I enter 25. Deposit and proceed. Once completed, it might take quite a while for the funds to appear. Refresh the page and there's my fund. Now we want to get access to the market. Before that, click on your trading account. There's some note I would like to point out. There's this cashback and swap free. You would like to switch it on. Cashback is cashback for every single trade you've made, which gain as you trade up to $15 per standard lot. Swap free basically means the overnight fee you are required to pay for holding a trade overnight every day are waived off. Regarding the terms and conditions of these are unknown, as stated on their bonus page. They goes check out the full list of terms and conditions in the personal area, but I couldn't find it. Oh, let's ignore that for a second. It doesn't really matter if you deposit small. Let's start trading. Let's start the fun part. So in case you forget your password, which some of us don't store password at all, or for any reason, you can generate a new password here, like this. And now the trading part. The trading platform will be using is MetaTrader. There are many options here. You should pick the one your device supports. Say if you're using an Android phone to trade, download it from Play Store. And if you're using Apple to trade, download it from App Store. And if your account is under MT5, download the MT5 version. I'll be using the WebTrader version for now to give you an idea how the WebTrader looks like. Switch to MetaTrader 5. My login informations. Server is FBS Real. Okay, and this is a trading platform. It looks literally the same on mobile and or desktop versions, only minimal differences. But I don't recommend you trading on the web versions because it's slightly faulty comparing to the desktop and on mobile versions. Now switching to desktop version here and a fairly short tutorial what you need to know to start the trade. Ready? This is the symbol set. Some call trading instruments or trading pairs. This is the selling and buying price. This is the symbol sets chart. This is the time frame. You can literally swap it around. This is your balance. Equity, which what you should focus on. To start a trade, simply right click on the symbol set and click New Order. Decide if you should buy or sell and click any one of those. Your order is accepted and trigger. If you are trading on desktop or mobile versions of MT4, I've created a tutorial video for both. I'll paste the link down below. You may want to check out. I've actually sold pound dollar earlier but accidentally deleted the clip. Anyway, I was profited at $2.83. That's an 11% gain. Now it's time for withdrawal, knowing that you profit quite a lot and decided to cash out. So go back to FBS dashboard. We want to withdraw and click the finance on the left. You'll be land on this page. Select the account with balance and click withdrawal. Please note here, suppose if you're using credit card to make deposit, say $100, you're only allowed to withdraw the original deposit amount, $100 back to your credit card. The remaining profit can be withdrawn to either electronic wallets like Scaru, NetTeller, Perfect Money, or Wire on bank. I'll be using Perfect Money to proceed the withdrawal. And about an hour later, I have received it. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out the MetaTrader tutorial video, otherwise you would confuse where to start. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Like, share, and comment. Goodbye.